Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to modify your booking on Etihad Airways. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Etihad? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type etihad.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once you get into the website, go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to modify your booking on Etihad. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Book, Manage, Experience, Destinations, Help, and Etihad Guests. Head over to Manage. So in Manage, you have three categories which include manage your booking, check-in, and extras. So head over to manage your booking. You have this view or change booking, flight status, special assistance, choose a seat, offset your flight, and Etihad credit. So go ahead and click on view or change booking, and we're going to see how we can change our booking from there. Now, view or make changes to your flight, pick your seat or book extra baggage. Now, you may incur a fee to cancel or change your flight subject to conditions of your ticket. So this is a flight that I am working on. All right, I'm on like an upcoming flight, so I can just click on the flight. So you have this banner that says I should confirm my contact details. I'm just going to click on save. And here you are in this window. Now you can make changes to your flight from here. That you can choose your seats. All right, you can add an extra baggage. You can accelerate your miles. You can buy with miles. And this is your flight. So this is it. So these are quick actions that you can take. All right, you can update your contacts and then you can check your booking. Other services, you can choose meet and assist, airport transfers, or Etihad coach. So any of this option or any of this thing that you want to change that you want to make to your seat, you can do that. You can even edit your guest details, then select your seats from here. That's change your seat from here and check your flight details and add extra baggage if you want to. So I can just click on flight details. So this is my flight details if you're not satisfied with that. So you can make changes from here. At the guest details, select your seat and choose another seat if you want to choose another seat, and get extra details or get extra baggage or accelerate your miles. And you have this option. Okay, I don't want to go for this, but if you want to, then you're complimentary. You can fly with this. So let me just go back. But I don't want that. Don't want that. But you can choose that if you choose to change your mind though. So over here, this is just it. So make changes to your booking, and once you're done, that's just going to be pretty much the process. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.